Looking for a dash cam that records everything around your car, front, rear, inside, and even the sides? Today we're taking a deep dive into the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dash cam, a powerful security solution packed with advanced features like STARVIS 2 night vision, buffered parking mode, and massive storage support. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's find out if this is the ultimate dash cam for 2026. The Vantrue N5S is a premium 4-channel dash cam designed to give you full 360-degree coverage. It records in multiple resolutions, 2.7K for the front camera, 1440p for the rear, and dual 1080p cameras for the interior and side views. This dash cam uses Sony's STARVIS 2 sensors, which are known for excellent low-light performance, making night recordings clearer and more detailed. It also features built-in Wi-Fi for easy video transfer, voice control for hands-free operation, and dual GPS to track your speed and location accurately. One standout feature is the 24/7 buffered parking mode, which continuously records and saves footage before and after an event, offering better protection when your car is parked. Plus, it supports up to 12 terabytes of storage, which is huge compared to most dash cams on the market. In real-world use, the Vantrue N5S performs exceptionally well. The video quality is sharp, especially from the front camera, with clear details like license plates and road signs, even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensors, night footage is impressively bright with minimal noise. The 4-channel system really shines when it comes to security. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a family user, or someone who just wants maximum coverage, this dash cam captures everything happening inside and outside the vehicle. The installation may take a bit of time due to multiple cameras, but once set up, the system works seamlessly. The Wi-Fi app is user-friendly, allowing you to preview, download, and manage recordings easily. Voice control is a nice bonus, letting you lock videos or take snapshots without touching the device, which adds convenience while driving. Pros: true 4-channel 360-degree coverage for maximum security, excellent night vision with STARVIS 2 sensors, high-resolution recording, 2.7K plus 1440p plus dual 1080p, 24/7 buffered parking mode for full-time protection, supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, built-in Wi-Fi and easy-to-use mobile app, voice control for hands-free operation, dual GPS for accurate tracking. So, is the Vantrue N5S worth it? If you're looking for one of the most advanced and reliable dash cams in 2026, the answer is yes. With its full 360-degree coverage, top-tier night vision, and powerful parking protection, it's a perfect choice for anyone who values safety and security. However, if you prefer something simple and budget-friendly, this might be more than you need. But for those who want complete peace of mind on the road, the Vantrue N5S is definitely a beast worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for the latest price. See you in the next video.